mine can't hold me down. Hypocrite can't hold me down. Jealousy can't hold me down. Dirty heart can't hold me down. But mine can't hold me down. Hypocrite can't hold me down. Jealousy can't hold me down. Dirty heart can't hold me down.
Welcome to another episode of Box TV. So, this episode is how to eat pussy. What? Problem? No? Okay. So before we get to that topic, we don't know. We at Box TV, we don't to respond what anybody want to say. Everything we do is planned, which means some artists are gonna try the dissing thing. But before you do all of that, make sure you have fans. Cause if not, our professor will not reply to you if you diss me. A lot of insensitive people are going to take shots. But guess what? When I put out nothing we can't defend or deal with. And some undercover niggas who are dead that are going like the dad do it. And I gotta try this. Save yourself the embarrassment. This video is for niggas and it's also for females. Cause you have the females them out there do them thing they talk. It's called gay or bisexual or one of them. Now the female sex organ is very delicate. The tongue where you have in your mouth is delicate also. Yet when you put the two of them together, you get a whole heap of delicateness. First off, the external reproductive anatomy is the vagina, which is consists of 6 main parts. But you probably only are gonna need 3 of them to pull off this thing, or only 3 of them that are gonna dip on your menu. 1. Mons pubis. 2. Clitoris. 3. Urethral opening. 4. Inner and outer lips of the vagina. 5. The vagina opening. 6. The vulva. Anything outside that or beyond that, you know, dip on a different level. Yes, so the thing there. No, the 2 or 3 we are gonna dip on your menu for when you do the thing. The clitoris, inner and outer lips, maybe the vaginal opening. So do remember, the female sex organ is very sensitive, so you have to know what you do, or else you may not proceed to a climax or an orgasm for the female. Some women like the licking thing with no finger. Some women like both. But if you gonna do them thing, they have to know what you do. Cause certain sensation acquire certain circulation, certain movement for going at the brain for come down for tell us a shot. Come! Tongue rotation is a big pay attention to, or you will be eating and eating forever. Every female body different. Some tender, some don't tender, some rough, some don't rough. I have to feel out the female body. Now the clitoris is located upon the top, the very top of the vagina. Sometimes you have to probably use all your finger to peel it back, put your tongue on it and make your circulation, get it a certain kind of way and make it drip and make her flow a certain kind of way. The urethral opening now, that don't really do too much for the female. Some female might like the one but a tongue in her head, so therefore the circle motion and tongue thing all up in her might cause some form of sensation for them. The vaginal opening now, if you put your tongue in it actually inside the female, you gotta actually taste out the female taste. That's like put your tongue in at the female and use your tongue. The sex are different females, different way of doing these things. You have to read the female body. Sometimes pay attention to the lady because them know them body more than you. An orgasm is different from climaxing. 2 different things. When a woman climax, she can't control herself. She's just like God. Woman can have a calm, steady orgasm and don't even move. Climaxing now, it's so heavy to the woman, she have to shake like the man and grab her up on something and kick over chair and them something there and a bag of things. Some woman don't like talking thing when you do the thing. Just quiet and eat your food. If you eat your food and you stick a finger in there, you notice flinch or something, that means maybe she don't like the way how you stick the finger in it or the finger gone too much up in it. They leave out the finger thing, she's just a tongue girl. You have to know the difference between the tongue girl and the tongue and finger girl. And if you're gonna use tongue, use tongue. And if you're gonna use tongue and finger, use tongue and finger the right way. Saliva also plays a big part. You have to get her lubricated. Remember them thing that gonna give the woman flow. She got secret her juice and them thing there. So if you're not into them thing there, don't run go do it and talk about all this and all that. So don't forget that there's 2 reasons why a woman want them vagina eating is 1, gets them very wet for something or that's coming. 2, it can cause an orgasm even before sex. Whichever reason you do it for, try if you accomplish one of them reasons. But I guarantee the woman would rather a climax or an orgasm. Now if you know somebody who needs some pump eating lesson, share, comment, like, dislike, box. Don't move your face. Don't forget to support our professor at Box TV. Buy a t-shirt, buy one for your friend. Subscribe to our professor on Twitter, YouTube, IG, even Vine. Check out all of the music video there. And don't forget, controversy sell. It is a hell of a thing. God.